Fresh political storm erupts in the state of Karnataka. It's Congress versus the RSS all over again. The spark, a Raichur Panchayat officer suspended for attending an RSS centenary event. As the BJP and the RSS cry witch hunt, even Congress voices question the move. And now, with tensions in Chittapur over no permission for the RSS march and the High Court stepping in, the ideological fire in Karnataka is only getting hotter. Fresh political storm raging in Karnataka. It's ruling Congress Sarkara versus the RSS. The Spark, a Panchayat officer suspended in Raichur for attending an RSS centenary celebration. Both the RSS and the BJP have accused the Sidhu Sarkara of witch hunt against nationalist Hindu outfits.
Why Priyanka Kharge insisting banning of the RSS activities in public? Why he is insisting? It is last so many years, 40, 50 years. Every year with Ganavesha in a route march, people are involving and route march is going on. And this time, I think Siddaramaiah and Priyanka Kharge are afraid because lot of people are involved in the route march.
State Home Minister defended the move, saying that no government official is allowed to attend RSS events.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಖಾಸಗಿ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇನು ಹೊಸದೇನಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ.
The RSS ban, however, opened Congress fault lines. Former Minister K.N. Rajanna alleged anti-RSS bias, asking why public namaz on Eid faces no such restrictions.
ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ RSSಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ RSS ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ RSS ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ.
And it doesn't end there. Tensions also flares in Chittapur after RSS march was denied permission and officials removed RSS flags on the route. Local MLA and Minister Priyanka Kharge backed the move.
The RSS has abused the sitting MLA there and have given him death threats and other things. So they have declined permission because the other organizations want to do similar things. And even the court today has said that in interest of law and order, and more importantly, the ground realities of maintaining law and order, peace and tranquility is that of the local authorities.
The Karnataka High Court stepped in after an RSS plea. In a setback to Sidhu Sarkara, the High Court directed the state government to consider petitions by both RSS and Bhim Army seeking permission for route marches on November 2nd. Both organizations have been asked to submit fresh applications to the district authorities with complete details of routes and expected participants. The court has also said separate time slots must be fixed for both marches.
उनके मंत्री कहते हैं कि भाई RSS से को हम बैन करेंगे, बजरंग दल को बैन करेंगे. कैसी निखस सोच है? अरे कुछ करने का भी काम करो, सिर्फ बैन करने से बात नहीं बनेगी. भगवा झंडों को फाड़ने और उनके जो बैनर्स को खत्म करने और जो सनातन संस्कृति है उस पर प्रहार करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Union Minister Prahlad Joshi welcomed the court's intervention.
Strategy of the Congress party and Mr. Siddaramaiah is that somehow to hide their failures, they have raised this issue. So I would like to advise सिद्धरामैया, आपको विनम्रता का बहुत जरूरत, आप और आपके मंत्रिमंडल का सदस्य को विनम्रता का बहुत जरूरत है. ये खरगे जी से, सीनियर खरगे जी से आप सीख सकते हैं.
A full-blown ideological showdown continues. The question remains, will the court quell the fire? Bureau Report, India Today.